Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to restart your laptop. You can do this by pressing the start button, then selecting power options and clicking restart. Alternatively, if you cannot reach this menu, for example if your device is stuck frozen, you can press and hold the power button until the power indicator on the front edge of your laptop shuts down, and then to turn off your device back again, short press the power button and check if your power indicator switched on. And after that, your device should start again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.